In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping on Jotform. Creating forms and integrating functional elements like payment and shipping options are pivotal for businesses selling products or services online. Today we'll take a closer look at adding a shipping method to your Jotform, ensuring your customers have a seamless checkout experience. Let's dive in with the first step, which involves navigating to Jotform's homepage. Jotform offers a dynamic and easy-to-use form builder that caters to various needs, including e-commerce functionalities. Once you're there, it's time to access your account. Look for the login button and click on it to proceed. If your account is linked with Google or another platform, opt to log in through that service for convenience. So, after successfully logging in, direct yourself to the My Forms section. This is where all your creative work is displayed, waiting for further enhancements or deployment. Browse through your list of forms to find the one you wish to add shipping to and open it for editing. Upon entering the form's edit mode, you'll notice a sidebar menu teeming with options. Our focus will be on the Add Element button. Click on it, revealing a plethora of elements that can be dragged and dropped onto your form. For our purpose, locate and select the Payments category. Jotform supports various payment gateways, ensuring compatibility and security for your transactions. Within payments, you're presented with different payment plans. Choose the one that aligns with your business needs and integrates seamlessly with your form. After setting up the payment integration, we'll move on to specifying products and shipping details. To do this, click on Oster plus Add Product. Here you can add details for each item or service you're offering, like price, description, and images. After adding your products, the next critical step is to configure the shipping options. Scroll down to find the Product List section. This is where your added products are listed and managed. Look for a toolbar or a settings menu around this section. Here you should spot a shipping option. Clicking this will bring you into the shipping settings of your form. Now, to activate shipping, you'll find a toggle or button labeled typically as Enable or similar. Click on it and voila, shipping is now active. But we're not done just yet. It's crucial to customize these settings according to your needs. Specify your shipping rates, regions serviced, and any other relevant details to ensure your customers are well informed and that the shipping costs are accurately calculated during checkout. Remember, setting up shipping options is not just about adding costs, it's an opportunity to provide clarity and build trust with your customers. Be transparent with your shipping policies and consider offering multiple options if possible, such as standard, expedited, and international shipping to cater to various customer needs and preferences. Adding shipping to your Jotform is a straightforward process that significantly enhances the functionality and professionalism of your e-commerce forms. With these steps, you're now equipped to create a more comprehensive and user-friendly checkout experience for your customers. That wraps up our guide on how to add shipping on Jotform. With this newfound knowledge, you're well on your way to optimizing your online form for sales, making sure that every transaction is smooth, transparent, and tailored to your business model. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit any step of this tutorial as needed. Your journey towards creating effective, professional forms of integrated shipping starts now.